Awesome!
I'm here with a group of volunteers who are bringing supplies to Honolulu.
There's actually people hiking right up there. They're right behind me.
That moment actually was tweeted out by Anthony Quintano, who works for us at NBC, over at NBC News.
But then it ended with amazing sunset pictures. Oh, wow, this is fabulous. I haven't seen this one yet.
Now, if you want to follow a fantastic photographer, give you the best that New York has to offer, is Anthony Quintano. All of his pictures are always great, but give him a good
through
sunset.
his eyes.
Yeah.
He puts the weather in the background so beautifully in every single scene.
Let's get an update from the ground from our Honolulu Civil Beat photojournalist and good friend, Anthony Quintano.
So let's talk to the photographer who snapped these images. Anthony Quintano joins us by phone. Hi, Anthony.
Want to get straight to the ground to see for yourself what's happening as we speak. Anthony Quintano is joining us now. He traveled to the Big Island.
The good work of journalists at Hawaii News Now, KITV, and Anthony Quintano at Civil Beat, for example.
I turned 40 years old late last year. My father passed away when he was 55. In my head, I think I only have about 15 years left of my life to live. My mindset has changed a lot over the years. It used to be I really wanted to get a good job. Now, I just want to live my life. I want to live a life full of experiences. I don't want to live a life full of regret. I used to spend my days staring out of a window, wondering what it would be like to go somewhere I've never been. I've been lucky over these last 10 years to have jobs that have taken me places. I went to those places working for somebody else. Now is my chance to do it for myself. I want to take you on an adventure with me. Welcome to my channel.